Welcome back to the Chinese. Korea. Today I'm going to teach you a very useful sentence that you could use it in every conversation. Are you ready to learn it? Before we start it, don't forget to subscribe my YouTube channel, The Chinese with Korea. And if you would like to have a private lesson with me, don't forget to click the link below and book the lesson with me. So today we are going to learn these phrases.
講呢啲
講呢啲 literally means talk about these things, but it implies that those things you are talking about don't need to be mentioned, and the speakers hope you don't mention them anymore. All in all, this sentence could be used in a variety of conversations. For example, when I send my video to my friends and they trying to compliment on my video, and then they will say, 你整嘅視頻好好睇啊！你整嘅視頻好好睇啊！ The video that you make are good. Then I feel flattering. Then I would like to say, 誒講呢啲咧。And when I'm brazen to ask my friend if I look good today, then I will ask, 我今日靚唔靚啊？我今日靚唔靚啊？ Then they will say, 誒講呢啲咧 which implies that they don't think so, or they don't want to talk about my appearance. And last time when I talked about the salary on this video, and then I got a comment from Amin, and then he would like to know how to reply politely and without awkwardness when people talking about your salary. 你嘅人工幾多啊？你嘅人工幾多啊？ How much is your salary? And then you could say 講呢啲. It implies you that you don't want to mention or continue this conversation anymore, and it's like a joke so that people they could get it and then they will understand that. And when your girlfriend asks you what gift you prepare for her, 你買咗咩禮物俾我啊？你買咗咩禮物俾我啊？ What gift do you prepare for me? Then you could say 講呢啲 implies that you don't want to give her the gift and your love for her are not made of gifts. And when you trying to ask your friend how's going recently, and then you could say 你近排點啊？你近排點啊？ How are you recently? And then for her, she would say, 唉，我又失戀啦。唉，我又失戀啦。I broke up again. Then you could say, 嘿，咪講呢啲啦。嘿，咪講呢啲啦。Don't talk about this anymore. It implies that trying to think about other things, or she was tired of your love stories, then she could say 咪講呢啲啦，咪講呢啲啦。Don't mention this thing anymore. And when a customer trying to bargain with you, 平啲得唔得啊？平啲得唔得啊？ Could you lower the price? 平啲得唔得啊？ Then you could say 講呢啲. It implies that you don't want to lower the price anymore. And when your friend trying to confess his love to you, 我鍾意咗你好耐啦，我鍾意咗你好耐啦。I have a crush on you for a long while, but you don't have the same feeling as him. Then you could say, 咪講呢啲啦，咪講呢啲啦。Don't talk about these things. And then actually he got what you mean. It's like you don't like him. It implies you that you don't want to talk about this anymore. And yeah, to be honest, you have already refused him. when I remind you to subscribe me, 記得訂閱我喎，記得訂閱我喎。Please remember to subscribe me. 記得訂閱我喎。Then you could say
講呢啲。
Hope you have already learned this magic sentence. What's more, you could try to use
玩呢啲，玩呢啲。
For example, I'm still playing this game while my sister is playing League of Legends. Then she would judge me with this one, 玩呢啲, which show her disdain of my naive behavior. And when my mom found me watching Rick and Morty, then my mom will say that, 睇呢啲. Watch this kind of thing, which show her disdain with my childish preference. If you like today's video, don't forget to give me a big thumb up and subscribe my YouTube channel, The Chinese Korea. See you soon. Bye bye.